Pay attention to that red LED. It's dim. Let me plug the radiation source. And hope my phone doesn't burn up, because that is 1,000 watts after all. You see, I just got... Oh, I can feel the radiation from here. It's warm. I can't keep it plugged. I blow the breaker. And you can hear me unplugging it. It actually cool damaged the cord a baby. It detects the radiation. I'm not leaving it running because I have my drink by there. His wheels unafraid of the radiation. They have one capacitor. I'm curious, and if I disconnect it, on what it would do. I don't believe it's necessary. It actually looks dimmer without it. Oh, it's much brighter without it, too. The LED lights up a lot brighter. The radiation source takes a while to warm up. That's why it delays when I plug it. As you can see, it delays just a little. If you're wondering what's my radiation source, look over here what I got. All this big old tube is powered by that transformer. And they have some supply circuitry and all that. Just capacitor and diode for supply circuitry. That's it. I just found this out when I had this sitting around that lit up. It's supposed to detect lightning, but it doesn't work to do that. But this thing's so fun. I'm curious what's the maximum distance. I know I shouldn't be doing this in the house, perhaps. It's a bit dangerous. But it's so cool. I've never seen a detector made to detect microwaves before. Alright, that's it for today.